Hello, my name is Jamila Layton,
Hello.
and this is an intro to communication on nonverbal communication. So I will go ahead and explain a couple different pictures and explain the nonverbal communication that I see from those photos. So in this photo, there's a man, looks like it's several years back, and by the clothes that this man is wearing, I can tell that he is a worker. Maybe a worker of machinery, an outside worker. Looks like there might be a flashlight on his hat, so he's possibly a miner. Could be a miner that's starting his day, could be a miner that's ending his day. By the way he's leaning, it kind of looks like maybe he's over the day. It's towards the end. The expression on his face suggests he might be possibly a bit smug, maybe arrogant. When I enlarged the picture, actually, I saw his facial expression a little bit differently, and there were a couple different expressions that I got from that. Maybe that he didn't want to take the picture. Maybe this is a work picture and everyone had to take this photo and he's leaning, so his body suggests that it's not in a positive way. Doesn't look like it's a genuine smile. His facial expression could also say that perhaps someone did something and he's not pleased with it. So he's kind of giving them a displeasing look. But it definitely looks like it's not a genuinely happy face in this picture, in this photo. In this picture, it's a photo of a lady. She looks like she is being forced to take this photo. It looks like she's half smiling. She has her teeth clenched, indicating she doesn't really want to smile. The background looks like it might be a curtain or a sheet hung up. Looks like this might be a amateur photographer that took this photo and they wanted to make it appear professional, but didn't quite hit that mark. Her arms in her lap, she appears uncomfortable, like she is experiencing discomfort, maybe because of the fact that she's taking the picture. The clothes she is wearing gives the impression that this was also many years ago, and whomever is taking this photograph maybe put her in this dress to make her appear, give her a modest or sophisticated look, but she definitely does not look happy in this photo. This photo looks like a lady that might be experiencing a lot of different emotions. Typically, hands on the hip body language suggests that a person is angry or irritated. But with this lady's facial expression, it suggests otherwise. She could be sad. Her clothes and background suggest that maybe she's in a third world country or less fortunate area. And that could also be the reason for her expression. She's also looking down away from the camera, may suggest that she's in deep thought, or perhaps she feels tension. She also looks like she is uncomfortable with the picture being taken in general. And this last photo, the emotions on all three of these ladies seems to be saying a lot. The first thing I see when I look at this picture is the fact that the lady in the front, looks like she's not interested or pleased. Maybe perhaps with the photographer or someone behind the photographer. With the look of confusion on one of the ladies' faces in the background, it makes me think that the person taking the photo is not a familiar person. And the lady in front, her arms are partially crossed as well, which can close a person off to social influences and suggest that there is a problem. Her untidiness in her clothing gives the impression that this may also be a lesser fortunate or third world country. And also the way their hair is kept as well. The other lady on the side looks confused on to why the main lady has her facial expressions. So it can be a confusing picture of exactly what's going on, but there's a lot of communication coming through in this photo. I think nonverbal communication is very important. You can be having a conversation with someone and what's coming out of their mouth can be completely different than what their body language is saying. And that can help you to actually continue the conversation and see what the person's actually feeling. And it's important to pay attention at all times to body language as well as facial expressions. Thank you. That is my observation of these 4 photos. Thank you.